Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites and taking immediate action. Confirm the 5G NR radio, do/coup, and core are on compatible firmware and licensed. Once done, assign PLMN and PCI values so cells can register. Next, bring up IP links for NG, XN, and management interfaces and ensure timing sync via GNSS or PTP. While you perform these steps, check link MTU and VLAN tagging. This avoids later packet fragmentation. Begin radios in low-power test mode to verify connectivity before full activation. Once IP and sync are stable, integrate RAN with core functions. You provision AMF, SMF, and UPF records and bind them to the PLMN so UE control and user planes can route. Then map G and B cells with TAC, NRARFCAN, SSB configuration, and bandwidth to match spectrum allocation. Make sure the DU and CU parameters align. After that, trigger N2 and N11 sessions, then create a test PDU session to exercise N4. This confirms control-to-user plane anchoring and verifies bearer setup end-to-end. You now activate cells and run acceptance tests to complete deployment. Enable full transmit power, then monitor KPIs like RSRP, RSRQ, SYNR, and throughput, while exercising mobility and load to validate CO-S, scheduling, and handovers. Make sure UEs can attach and establish PDU sessions across slices if used. If anything goes wrong, focus on one key troubleshooting tip. Confirm precise timing and IP reachability first, then review N2/N11/N4 logs to pinpoint signaling mismatches or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.